Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your bed, as well as your body mount bolt and bushing. Cut off the factory cab and bed mount. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by spraying the part with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust formation. Step 3. Using the opposite side of your vehicle for reference, measure the distance from the back end of your bed mount hole to the front end of your cab and bed mount. We measured 12 1/4 inches. Then, measure the height from the top of your frame to the top of your cab mount. Use your measurements to align your body mount with the opposite side. Once aligned, mark off its coverage using a paint marker and C-clamp the part into place. Step 4. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the cab and bed mount into place before welding it on fully. Confirm that the body mount hole will insert correctly. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reinstall your body mount bolt, bushing, and bed. Then you're done.